Hey guys, it's Kevin here. I wanted to just real quick kind of give you a little review of a product I just picked up. It's by big order and it is a little travel tripod. It's always nice to have one of these around. My old one broke. And so when I was looking for something a little bit more kind of industrial because the other one broke when I was traveling. And so I found this one, thought it was kind of nice. So this is the tripod itself. When you get it, you're going to get a little travel bag here, and you're going to get a mount for a GoPro. I'm not sure what other devices use this, but I believe a GoPro uses this. You're going to also get a remote trigger for a shutter release on your camera. There's a little on-off button here, and then the battery goes in the back. And then on the front, it has a button for, giant button for Apple devices and a little tiny button for Android. I'm not sure. I never use this, but they included this. So, all right. So the tripod itself, because that's why I got it. It has nice rubber, flexible legs that are nice and strong, so you can form this however you want, which is great for if you're needing to hook it up against like a railing or something like that. Do note with a lot of these flexible ones, you got to be careful with making sure your camera is level, because since they're no longer equal from when you got it. But that's the only kind of thing. That's with all flexible. It has nothing to do with this one in particular. And then one of the nice things that I liked about this particular tripod was at the top here, you kind of unscrew this, loosen it up, and it's got a full motion ball joint. So it allows you to completely adjust however you want. And then you can also kind of untwist this right here, and it's all very rugged. Which this loosens up the ball joint, and you can take this off if you don't want that and you need something more static right here to mount. But for the most part, I don't use this for my big camera or anything like that. I use this more for my cell phone when I travel, or my Samsung 360 or something like that. So it works really well. And then you just kind of tighten it like that. The only thing that I would say negative about this is, so they included the GoPro thing, they included this remote. I would have liked them to actually have like a cell phone mount on top. They didn't include that. Now, luckily, because my old tripod had one, so it wasn't that critical. But that was kind of one thing I thought was odd. I didn't really include that. So if you're looking for getting this for your cell phone, make sure you have a cell phone mount or buy a nice one from someone else. But other than that, that's it. So feel free to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions or comments, I do typically respond. So hit me up. And until the next review, you guys take it easy. Later. You, my friend, are awesome because you made it to the end of the video. Now, if you want to be a true legend in my eyes, please hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, if you want to check out some other videos, I would appreciate it. Till the next review, you guys take it easy.